Dare to Dream Achieving Our Goal. I am Aliana Aishaki Pasawilan from BSAB 1B. So, Dare to Dream. These three words hold immense power. They challenge us to envision a future where our deepest desire and most ambitious goal becomes reality. Dreams are the seeds of achievements, and without them, we might never discourage our full potential. But how do we turn our dreams into tangible achievements? The journey from aspiration to accomplishment involves courage, perseverance, and strategic action. And dreams are more than just fantasies. They are the driving force and propels us towards greatness. They ignite our passion and provide a sense of purpose. When we dare to dream, we give ourselves permission to imagine a better version of our lives. The vision can motivate us to push beyond our current limitation, encouraging us to explore new possibilities and challenge the status. By dreaming big, we set the stage for a remarkable achievement that can transform not only our lives, but also the lives of those around us. While dreaming is essential, it is the fact of and the act of setting clear, actionable goals that turns those dreams into reality. Goals provide a roadmap, guiding our efforts and keeping us focused. They break down our dreams into manageable steps, making the path to success more sustainable. Smart goals, specific for measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound, are particularly effective in this process. By determining our objective clearly, we create a structured plan that directs our energy and resources efficiently. The journey to achieving our goal is rarely smooth. Obstacles and setbacks are inevitable, but they should not deter us from our pursuit. Instead, they offer valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Resilience and perseverance are crucial traits that enables us to navigate challenges and stay committed to our vision. By maintaining a possible mindset and adapting uh, to changing circumstances, we can overcome adversity and continue moving forward every obstacle conquered, strengthen our resolve, and brings us one step closer to realizing our dreams. So, daring, daring to dream is the first step towards achieving our goal. It requires vision, determination, and a strategic approach. By harnessing the power of our dream, setting clear goal, and persevering through challenges. We can transform our aspiration into accomplishment as we embark on this journey. Let us remember that every great achievement begins with a dream. Dare to dream and watch as your goal unfold into reality, leading you to a future filled with success and fulfillment. That's all. Thank you.